back to Dad Riffs, and today we're going to be working on All My Lovin' by the Beatles. Alright, so you capo the 4th fret, you could do the 2nd fret, or you could do the 9th fret. We're going to go with the 4th because it makes it easier for the chorus later on down the road. They don't capo it at all, as far as I know, but it makes it a lot easier if you capo it. So, we got a D minor. Now, that's not really a D minor, it's just the shape of a D minor. And then you got a G major. Again, not really a G, it's just the shape of it. C, and then A minor. Then you got an F major, and then you got back to that D minor, and then A sharp major, G major, and then it repeats itself again. And when you get to this F, instead of going to the D minor, you're going to go straight to a G this time, and then end it with a C. That's the whole verse. All right, so for the chorus, we have A minor, and then this amazing chord. It's like a C major, except you're going to be using this note. Very cool chord, some sort of augmented chord. You can also throw your pinky on right here. And then you got a C major, and that's how the chorus ends. Besides all that, the hard part about the song is really just the strumming. So pretty sure John's going like this. He's going. I can't really do it with the pick. It makes it a lot easier if I just do it with my thumb. But it's going to be kind of a triplet, triplet, triplet pattern. Yes. Next week we'll get to the guitar solo and then finish up the song with the last chorus, which is pretty much the same. You're just skipping over that weird augmented chord. But yes. Good luck, sir. Good luck.